Fifth question, four persons live in a conical tent whose slant height is 19 centimeter. If each person required 22 centimeter square of the floor area, then find the height of the tent. So in the question they have given, in a tent, four persons are living and the slant height of the cone is 19 centimeter and each person requires 22 centimeter of the floor area. So first we'll write base area of the cone, that is pi r square units. So pi r square is equal to 4 multiplied by 22 because there are 4 persons in total and each person require 22 centimeter square. So from here r square is equal to 4 into 22 into 7 by 22. So 22 and 22 will get cancelled. So r square we got it as 28 centimeter square. So we know the slant height value, that is L is equal to 19 centimeter. So using this we can find h value. H is equal to square root of L square minus R square. So square root of L value is 19. So 19 square minus R square value, we just got it as 28. So 19 square will get 361 minus 28. So when we subtract these two values, we'll get root 333. So root 333 value is 18.25. So therefore we got the height value to be 18.25 centimeter. Sixth question, a girl wishes to prepare birthday caps in the form of a right circular cone for a birthday party using a sheet of paper whose area is 5720 centimeter square. How many caps can be made with radius 5 centimeter and height 12 centimeter? So a girl wants to make a cap in the form of a cone and they have given the total area of the sheet of paper is 5720 centimeter and each cap has to be made with the radius 5 centimeter and height 12 centimeter. But here the slant height is not given, so first we will find L value. So first we'll write the given values. The given radius is 5 centimeter and height is 12 centimeter and area of the paper is 5720 centimeter square. So first we'll find slant height value. So L is equal to square root of r square plus h square. R square value is 25 plus h square value is 144. So square root of 25 plus 144 will get square root of 169, which is nothing but 13 centimeter. So now we'll find the required number of caps. So to find the required number of caps, we have area of the paper divided by area of one cap. So area of the paper is given by 5720 and area of the one cap we need to find. So that is using the formula pi r into L. So we get 5720 divided by pi value is 22 divided by 7, r value is 5, L value we just now got, that is 13. So simplifying this, we get 5720 into 7 divided by 22 into 1 by 5 into 1 divided by 13. So 5720 into 7 divided by, when we multiply 22 into 5 into 13, we'll get 1430. So you can cancel 0 and 0 and we get 572 into 7, that is 4004 divided by 143. So when we divide these two, we'll get the answer to be 28. So therefore 28 caps can be made.